Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my another video. Today I'll show you heart shape keyring. This is heart shape. You can see it's really cute and so colorful. This heart shape made by Malay Cardigan. This is shade color. You can see two color, yellow and orange. It's really pretty. So I'll show you one by one. This is pink, this is green, this is sky blue, this is purple and red, this is yellow. So many color. And Malay Cardigan, I love Malay Cardigan. Malay Cardigan is the best for everything. So this is made by Malay Cardigan. You can see it's so shiny and so strong and looks so beautiful. I will make keyring with this heart shape, so that's why I need some keyring and two tools. With two tools I'll make keyring. So if you want to make any keyring, you can use this heart shape, or if you want to make any decoration, bookmark, anything, you can make this one. And as soon as possible I'll give you this heart shape tutorial, guys, so you can make it. It's very easy and quick. I have already one heart shape keyring in my YouTube channel, so if you want, you can show this. If you want, you can see this tutorial. This is keyring, you can see. So I'll just join with this heart shape by the two tools. This is the tools. I need two tools, so I buy two. Now I'm joining. So if you know how to do crochet, you can make this heart shape very easily. So I make this keyring, you can see it's very easy and very quick. So I will make all keyring with this heart shape, and I can do decoration, bookmark, a lot of things I can make with this heart shape. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button.